Permission to say we are seeing the Ahmad Mama
it's a concept of
Yedi can make sure what I want much your teeth. Na Marcus Ghana Punya Mamu. MC Minya Kokubuani, SA NBC for a press conference. Now I want to state here that press conference is meaningless and sorry to say useless.
Why?
Kokubuani has no kind of account speaking as a deputy communications director of the party, officer of the party. And because it's useless, I have me in contest. No, in contest,
but you
because
do not read that way.
Press statement, you read the press statement, you know. President Akufo-Addo, we did be our Ghana politics in here, or the Mra. So what's the deal? Emra, and the already Ghana constitution, Article 146, a president go to them, or can clear one, or you see 1, 4, and then a president general for the year, or say shall be removed from office except for stated misbehavior or incompetence or grounds of inability to perform the functions of his office arising from infirmity of body or mind. We are about form. Also, where the Chief Justice decide that there is a prima facie case in terms of incompetence and after no. He shall set up a committee. President has set a committee. Why set a committee?
I mentioned it.
And appointed by the Judicial Council and 2 other persons who are members of the Council of State, members of Parliament, no lawyer who shall be appointed by Chief of Justice. And I'm a one. We are no about 9 on my memory because of time. Or say the President shall, in each case, act till or Mampeni or to me, say or acting in accordance with the recommendations of the committee.
Okay.
Susukuwa Ghana for Ghana constitutional. Ebanya Akufo-Addo and Ebeka. Now let's go back to the reference.
Okay.
Say Electoral Commission. Let me quote one of the issues I buy here. Akufo-Addo Ebeto Nenimu a setting committee on one. Ebunti Wegina so every ayed body. One of the issues I buy here, very serious issues there. Electoral Commission. Kwa do I Electoral Commission. Say Bill Baby Akoso Ewo and I'm a one. Bill Baby number 1 away my joy online July 11, 2017.
Okay.
EC 480,000 scandal document review finance director of the Electoral Commission reviewed it. And let me read a portion for you. Documents of the Electoral Commission shows that Dr. Joseph Kweku Asamoah, the director of finance, was not at post when 480,000 got missing at the commission staff endowment fund.
Okay.
When you're in America, Electoral Commission 4 and the number 2 guy.
Okay.
My member another one, the amount instance battery, so Kokubuani in the party, Akufo-Addo or the Emra and the Yeduna. Another one, the Toma Charlotte say, my joy online, and a piece of them online.
Okay.
Or see, Electoral Commission. The somebody now one is a deputy. Almost the dream naked as a Senate proy and almost the Electoral Commission. I guess I'm trying to open it because it is not coming here. And Amadi Suli, I can't say Electoral Commission for Obi Emma Charlotte say, a former President Mahama, Emma Charlotte say, start and the car. So on your day, on your big man, one can number the phone and nothing I can say. Akufo-Addo decision I was taking. Number 1, as I said, it is in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Number 2, we are talking about the integrity of the Electoral Commission. Say about 12 commission, we are talking about the future of Ghana. Say a man who mean a 4 papabi. Say a man in Chimani who me now. Your future no age about 2 Ghana. Now send him previous. Or about 2 commission. na se sabre nyoma se koso na ebu oman no fi na ese oman no na se constitution no ma ho kwan se emra kwa hu ye fa so ye the right thing na se omanpania fa so na electoral commission no ye na fi ho no ma I don't think say it is any problem at all but Ghana for them who sha dey say Akufo-Addo are taking a decision now what Chile is the born leader and number 1 for the brand area number 2 what Chile say in Chilima yeba or junior you want to when Adeba ko ese moti ase say Ghana a democracy the heartbeat of our democracy is the electoral commission so that it to rescue the electoral commission from this reckless incompetence of leadership crisis. It is a leadership crisis in the electoral commission. Who say the electoral commissioners now who decided Obia will not doing any same of Kekeka. A year dear, actions and inactions, and one more back to you not certain sort of credibility. And I say, Peri, and therefore, it is very important that Ghana point up a young financial malfeasance. Na sabi went me and crowd usika crowd with you. Na Ghana for batwa a year every decide the destiny of this country and I'll be in Ghana. Ghana for fantos and near Charlotte Senum, Amadou Sule, Biena, no cast a ballot papers, it will be going near Yakoman Kufu. It was all stated by letter committee, a Kufu-Addo, and a Betsanka, MPP Amani. And the veteran cast us they were washing their dirty linen in public, which was against even going to any corporate before now. And I'll call any corporate society. The conduct of officials who share here a whole lot of things come into play. You can't just get up and be throwing allegations and certain things that were here about a border on competence. And then your conduct, code of conduct as a commissioner of the electoral commission. You can't just come out and jeopardize. Who decided they did their investigation, and I'm sure say it was embodied with learned people that confusion. Now can once mama could do a job and I'm taking that decision. It's a Kokubu and Betna, not Ghana for two put problem when he say. Sebi electoral commission Akufo-Addo na didn't pay one and you could do other sem I'm taking serious and that was right I don't know some wapaba and I said them go on Abraham most of them person so them you see our coming as
you know CP you become I'm not gonna put out on to say Chanapa or Bradford and this is when Ghana for me now this is one of our men on the train now I did it oh I would say, you're tossed to be. You know, Cassie, the press conference of our officer. So much as they jump on in our war and say, a damn old in I am my former in I am now. You and let me tell you, when who dream. Now, someone with some was say, and tomorrow your president or memoir. And I said, you man in Indian and Intina, Bible Cassie, when you mean now, and you know, and I had it. It will call a brand of Pocrano, one we used to long, or we used to common sense, every day, and you tell you to a Brana Cata a day. It's why a president not on the Napunasua. It's a 77, we used to common sense, Cacra. I'm not gonna go with a seven. If you feel, get the team free, and son, I will do the yellow group. Yes, I will play for a president duty. Not the opinion, I will. You can watch my own, or for the Anna will come here. And no other thing can do the day. By then, the first Catherine and I have done for say, not one hour born that our men for good reply, only some branch about the need to, or what I do we are, or more for a man ranting here to 2 yet, a deep reply, and now no one is selfish interest of about their presidency. Gandhi down to I am Yada woman, some was a fine man, their president, or one answer. How about their president, not in need. Obeta sole ni kuma police for obeta sole na car accident obeta sole na nkofu obeta sole na yi o nwene sa ne ma we ho ana sebi enye ma hu nya emfa kwem ana ato beye je e se Ghana wo open na beye ni nya fe atuma ye kan say na na do dan Akufo-Addo ye ne ne kwa nya ankenye na he never succeed je ye ndi so beye ka tell say on to see bi ne en so bi na e me ya fa to for wa no mo person mo be kata and they compromise o man
second thing why you against the committee report from the
now ko fa unu ya ba o e chief justice
why you ba
oh mama kata
correct
mama kata o kata unu su samuel
I won't allow
unu su you e wa ta ba e do an e ko fa unu ya o e chief justice e ya wasam e ya wa de o tumi dara me de menka wa Untu chire me dia untu amaka me famaka de open kwache o ka na me de untu ni ngwa fa unu ya ba o yeti untu ni uya na gene ye ni na enu se ni ya ba no untu ni fa unu ya ba o yeti ja na fa no ko se de ba o ka
so why are you talking about
what I want to do is me
it's a bit of a na just
me say go for what you want to do now for phone me aba na net na catch them say onko ye wi sa na wi to police fra ko ye kekemu keta tele project and am so wi aba no di obe no akata so ko atena so no ni black bi ko mo tem fa e bi se to keta tete sa be defend of so e division say de be ya obetuma control but on to me for it on minus for cinema it won't mean that you open because oche emra no mu a na na do ni sa to me no sa power how we go to plan pass that power no I have your person will meet out to say on constitution no there be a matter lot to say put that and then the deputy on be put that in the deputy and this will be aba na faceless people to say what papa mo tete ya e to letter to you see the class near the faceless letter brown I am for petition to be anymore. Now, President, you also your lawyer. Want to have a friend of some palette and now what for 1 year old. What's the over here? Now, it's my farmer turning a chief justice or we are bent or to Musa. The woman we are quite natural, then near me here and near my fabric, and you say, no memoria, and there was somebody poor. There was some everybody poor. It's in an army, you catch the little minor, and then Mammy winning the baby at your time almost sad with the thing. Muddin can't cut a register in your papa, Muddin can't cut a young church in your papa, what you say tights, who pay prank or four of them. There are 2 of them was having drink in the Musua. Over one of mine to 2 points and in that 7 and your man Bonnie I control them one. Your business is unknown. They say, when I told them, when and I was so neighbor. So be easy now walk out of our work for the mother. Now you make cut was all of our getting on back and we wish our papa don't be easy in the boss. Who will to 2020? I'm telling him, say, of a fan and ma, they get it in the bush for. Send for the son and I know you have to go out. I don't call you when you can scan on the by. So how fun they get it in the ma. Every year you see boss in the baby. Now 2020, Ghana problem will be with that. Because baby, I don't man could do. I find beer you are if you want to come up and better with it. What say a man to send your papa, I say, man, but then I baby also my when you need to swallow that. I'm so when you need to know. Who pay remember and when you pay remember what say a man is. If you catch them to say, Jenny, bring you. Then my baby, I have to say, Ghana could do. All faster than 1 day, Miss Ghana. Then my baby, I have to say, Ghana could do. You must have 5 seconds to Miss Ghana. If you put that in Ghana, what will Ghana man make up for? 20 million. Oh, Tom Ghana, I'm aware of 20 million. You can't want to be the Ghana president. Yes, you all told 20 million. You can't be a president who did the Ghana when you have them professors, doctors, really. I saw before you believe your matter. Nancy, I can't. We have a card and send someone who you can't want them about President Kufuor Krakate. Then you two will tie the card in Kenya or the Umuya or Tiku who said big Ghana water. Now you're president here. That's a seven which you want. If I had done a Ghana for trouble.
I just told you about what I'm making read a country article 1469 of the Constitution HSA. Shall committee that's one of the children. One benefit to Ginaso said the man said now all the two and I'm a cat said, there were new men in our hope and yelling at the factory. Yes, you use your common sense into constitution. Then use your common sense. President Kufuor when you feel common sense. It's me a prophet again, but I can't mercy person when you feel common sense. John Daman Mama Peso, we use common sense. Now you're blue, so the young people use common sense that they go mine. Then you're open. Mind your job. And it's in and Kayaka Company, if we call a year, and I need to react. We are not my brother. Reactions are what's the common sense? If President Mahama Brezu Ashrag, Madame Epoheim, a speech, bangles near the idea. President Mahama acting or sacking, we use common sense. He went according to the constitution and that's what he then, and also you sue NBC.
bandwagon propagandist lies like Kokubuai. You see, Kokubuai never say you're not better radio so Kasa TV so say any amount 1.2 million votes. Shameful elections. Election of say was electoral commissioner of the Republic of Ghana. Let my vote count alliance. We raise objection. We say I was part of the leading members of them. Let my vote count alliance. We can swear to Japan. Every who have the blue, you know, but you do to be a more. Daddy, young one at one. You see it. After that, listen to me. Listen, men disrupt you. When you're talking, I wasn't talking. Listen, let my vote count alliance. The ladies I call. Who saw what happened? John Mahama, and then I'm buying a fan for the boy. But despite all of you, Akufo-Addo won the elections without with or Charlotte Osei. Charlotte Osei not the one who won winning the elections in Ghana. Charlotte Osei only will and changing anything. And then some tears here. Now we a party, I'm going to go and come on the movie. The party, first stanza of the party constitution believes in probity, accountability, and social justice. People, electoral commission are raising serious issues about accountability. FSC can certainly prepare you. And this political justice party, you believe in social justice. Akufo-Addo has acted in accordance with the constitution of the Republic of Ghana to give social justice to the people of Ghana. You saw our party constitution, probity, what probing and what the investigative body by remember. And what share said issues to do with accountability, they didn't do it. And he has acted socially to give social justice to the people of Ghana. And no party constitution, they themselves. Adia Mahama atotoare adia NDC for atotoare a me papa Jentorole da all can say and go from your party ni mo a key principles na say they don't understand what NDC stands for and that is what and American is for who why or can say this okay with the
because say the time say because who say na me adma you see region so far eba no referendum the person one and also MMDC number 20 the person it's very smart structure.
I'm sure say the president is very knowledgeable. On your president will take a decision just like that. Why should Akufo-Addo? He's not also a normal better and a president. When you this guy Monchi, so can a boy also me no better previously. Me no better my own council electoral commission. Charlotte Osei, Omonya, go back and check. You talk about corruption and also president disinvestigation. Mamencha issues are dangerous to this country. Democratic Republic of Congo. Electoral commission. Now there was a problem between the electoral commissioners. The same thing happened. Go to election results. Meaning, go to election results. The deputy electoral commissioner was quoting Ashanti region figures. What we quote to Anna Bros. So now we also quote different. Not the confusion about. You can imagine the repercussions if this thing starts happening in our country where electoral commission, 2 electoral commissioners, 3 of them at loggerheads with each other. I'm sure say we have a president who walks the talk. We have a leader or no way bold or near lame dark dead cold president. But Transia will take a decision and this decision is for the future of Ghana and the future generations of Ghana. And our rescue democracy in this country. One thing that you have to know is that Akufo-Addo should be given a thumbs up as the entire nation say we'll rescue Ghana. You can't even we'll rescue you from a state that you and can be your man and a crown and your papa. And you will be put to be sorry. Now so probity, accountability, and social justice. Now so sorry so quiet press conference. What the KBB alpha. The echo for the one.
That's what I'm going to super panic. You talk because I'm not saying the
Kakra Meka at Ghana for you and say, Sergeant and another by the moon to engagement. You want to say, Sergeant, a day a year so to a pack of yes, this is for them. I don't know, no one yet your parents say, oh, my baby, your person don't mind the corner. Say, I saw for a woman, I saw one casa. yɛn NDC for ɔman ne nyinaa yɛ yɛakyekyere ɔman ne yie ɛna yɛde abɛtu baabi yɛ mma obi sɛ bubuo no man ɔmɛsɛe Ghana saa mmerɛ ho nkyerɛ yɛn yɛwɔ mma ne nkyiri ma te ɔde ɔne yɛ kɔfo ɔtumi kɔtena abotiri na ɔmogye wɔ mu ani na ɔmo ho tɔ wɔ mu a ɛda bia ɔman no aduro no nkɔfoɔ hwɛ sɛ sɛ deɛ NDC bɛba na yɛaba bɛsom wɔ ɔman no na ɛnnɛ yɛkasa ade saa mo a sɛ bɛyɛ atifoɔ so adwumayɛfoɔ so anka president wobɛtena nasa power na nka sɛbe wosoma tetɛ nneɛma yie ɛnnɛ yi wote wei na wopɛ obi a wato aba na wadeclare sɛ ɔyɛ president ɛnnɛ yi adwumayɛfoɔ ɛntumi ɛnkɔdi na ɔse ɛho ɛmfa ɛyɛ me ne ɔkasa yi ɛnnɛ me ne ɔkasa petrol ɛna ne nam 24-25 wote no ho nhiaw enti deɛ wobɛyɛ ne sɛ wopɛtumi nti deɛ wopɛ wie a wobɛyɛ ɛnnɛ yi a me ne wo kasa yi ọmọ ọmọ sport yìí na ebu obusa bọtọ ọkàfọ obusa ọkàtìfọ marketfọ na busa yẹn nua no Kumasi business association ọmọ tí nana bẹ ogu ọmọ juma ayẹ no ewu ìyàwó èyí wọ́n bẹ yẹ one dam one village ntumi yẹ nsuo no n'afa ọmọ ṣasi ogbongo na ẹnu ká jẹ tramadol pẹ̀lú ìfura no ọbẹ gàtẹ wẹ tramadol mẹsẹ tramadol obi àwọn anum tramadol wọn kàtẹ wẹ ẹ one dam one village ọmọ kọmíntì no obi àwọn anum tramadol a ní tiri tó nkukura wọn kàtẹ wẹ one dam one village obi àwọn anum tramadol wọn a ní tiri tó ẹ yẹ tramadol manufactured ayi alọwọ yẹ eti diẹ mi pẹtẹ mi kàtà wọn ni sẹ nneɛma ɛfɛ sɛ wohwɛ ne tumi boa ɛma ɔma ne to nkɔfo n'anim wosi no mu nhia wo na abɛsɛe wo man no a ɔnsɛe no na Ghanafoɔ hwɛ no
ɛdɛ wo sɛ ɔmobɛkɔ ɔbra no na mo ne apolisifoɔ di nkɔmmɔ ɔbra sport no
yɛhwɛ ɔsɛ paatifoɔ ayɛ
ma menka sɛ meka kyerɛ IGP listen to me meka kyerɛ IGP sɛ Ghana ha yɛte no we work with the constitution IGP if you are listening to me and if any NDC member violate
NDC
member be assault let them try
we say we na mo dey do quite 2 minutes now over about me mo die kakra me ka fa ho le say me anas na nkasa in particular e na ko kuba ko na kwala no nti me ne na adwo if say okay eniema ko kuba ko die di e na eniema NDC for don Mahama person of Prosper Kamesi person wa benefit sa so dem bia wo nya enia no di a benefit wo die eniema bi nti nka so if your opportunity na nti e go kan say se koku ba ko ka ho dia adenti ana wo say wa for investigation yes president the man 5 minutes na say kai agapa bi etechira adani am proceed anhwe sisi kan ya the president and after best kan am president let me one dey what we die what you kuku about 4 billion na movie say sika no to dey ko ntino oni kan anye no kan frente ba say with the 5 million na ko president wa me ku say o ma peni diskana na wan diskana what one the way here for etu me nhwe because o me ma to bi no so ma peni na na adu na ni minister o me ya korom o me dem twon sika bia ni sika die etin ka we ye test case e be magana fo nyina ku say the president yan ko fu boni di secretary se chane po ye no fu ne mu no de yan kwa test no nkwe na nke di sika no kwa na na do de krime so ko me pesi ka no na mo fa ko why had ye no na me se ko ku ba ko ye tuti no di why had ye na pe mo no we jai abu bia tun to man pani kata se chane po ye o de ne sabo fu ni ne se nifa ane dem enti kwa ya amade no e wie pe ye amen ko fu bi bu sa se sika ne ba ya na se sika na ba project bi bu sa e din so se de ni 8 hours and 12 hours and we 2 hours e bi for the question of mampeni no o mampeni ka tell ma ni be bi o di sika ne bre no no efi ta ne kokko bi ka e tie no o mi enhwe no tesi e be tell me na atme ni bi bi e di be antesi e be ka go for wo credibility pa o mi enhwe ho ne mu se sika no de buy na na do to ye and that ya sika ne buy in the group fast up ne bi tape na ko ni yi do sɛ be be su ko ko ba ko so ndo se na dan fo ne na na do ono no so ne na se na ye se edwuma no e ti so ne na se na ye dia de be gu na na do fu ya o be ye fu and then you want to MPP for so man who go back to you did that and say we need credibility on Kano correct, but you need to get in the diagram, a young will be sick out of what did the end of the fire with the man and the corner on the neighbor, no more will buy. So the matter and to have the question and go for a fan and somewhat prepare and go for me. So the matter it is also the Abba. Yes, yes, now you're putting now with the Acamodia. And how? Oh, they who want to live here, a year prefer, only what up. So the pattern, and it's also the Abba for Walker. Then, fuck my panel receive. So the pattern, because I never go to police, maybe I'll push a catcher. What they call to so the pattern. And see, we have animal winning in Arma. We are there for Kuba put up to the other papa, and ye, papa. And to maybe the Macata Ghana for the Kennedy cannot. Only you can get crap. You says the human have been and we can be not done when the name of the but we know not cry. We are the bad idea and unless or question or an answer or questions to answer. With us, Papa. Those were what you call an answer.
First of all, he established the president. Watch Obiachi said, Bakoji for the baby. And our president, Bakoji can be an answer as one to Koto Embraer, free Brazil, a more the Biato so. As a president of Kufuado, my life now to the extent say last year before elections 2016 November, His Excellency the President, the former president, who is the founder of the NDC, also bet me the Sashi Jim Amanana Budanko Kufuado say onye corrupt. Omo founder, I am a Papa Jerry for say Nana Budanko Kufuado, all the corruption carrying one, it go go Kufuado there, move country, ama a poor that sentiment, Kufuado or corrupt, any president to be a Tikruma or Jake, none in Qualage, no Jake, no Chevy man again, no Chevy man and go for any president, you president to call our Kuruma, you go down in history as the most corrupt leader Ghana ever had. John Dramani, he came to lead the our Kofa the most corrupt institution for the current Gabai, and don't buy out or more on my. If you can't someone all the corruption about the first of Kufuado, any year, because Kufuado the Tarana Empire, who found that crack at the Empire, which is the more coming, and you do my very much on us. Younger issue, you see, me, I am sometimes I'm very careful in terms of anas, because you need a branch of my classmates. I'm in a national school, they were seeing at the end. You see, when it comes to the analytical area, it is very, very crucial. Media, the issues is something to do with the methodology of how you ascertain for information in terms of ethical standard of the journalism profession. Say, in ethical, you have to give people the chance to say, even the Babontia, amount the chance for you to clarify and I said to give your side of the story. You see, I'm a Beshia of Pabrani. Now, I'm seeing the interview now, record secretly. Number one, there's an issue about with or without permission. Say my secure permission. No recording. Then recording. We did so the opportunity for you to also react. I've heard Anas has come out to say he did interviews subsequent with that, but professors will tell you say ethically there are a lot of question marks about how the methodology of the whole is done. Number two is to do with so we share the case. People have raised issues about public interest. Say case this is Banwa. Public interest is very important because issue now they said there's a myth about judges give bribe. But how dare you go with a microphone so because the judge will give bribe any possible. But there must be another way of journalism we can uncover. But in other jurisdiction, the judge make subpoena. Neyama investigators are go undercover to get it. But Anas is a private investigating team. How do is the state empowering him to do that, or is he doing it in his own evolution, or what is coming out? And we are one of the issues are media. Some methodology, as a professors we're finding out to say, is it right, is it wrong, or the way to go forward? Fighting corruption here. We shouldn't also we look at the angle there. What Kennedy Japan is also saying is wrong. In as much as people support Anas there, Anas about and America say he has a chronology of a year, but now there's an issue about one Hafiz. Our interview no negotiations about how he's going to get the money back. Maybe about 4 million. Maybe only after he was making damning revelations about it as to whether it was that Anas or not. Because for security reasons. Because you see, if somebody is schoolmate, you don't want to come out and I make sure say for security reasons I don't want to make it because it's very important. The person may try to but the point is that the issues now. Listen, I said I don't want to talk about it. Everyone also it is very important to look at the issue. The merit is a test case for our democracy. It is very important. So people should not say they can wrong. People should say that because it strengthens our democracy. And my democrat, what the issues about, we should also question it and let's know I didn't know how they ban or no social and all kinds of who watches the watchman. If at the end of the day, you want to say also the movie you
thank you very much. I just think Anthony, you made us a papa. Some had more China and then you made your possibility. But then this is the way you don't